Good evening friends. Today our topic of discussion is Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep is an archipelago of 36 islands, 10 of them inhabited, spread over a 32 square kilometer area in the sea, about 200 kilometers from the southern west coast of the Indian peninsula. Meanwhile, one of the inhabited islands has gone underwater, leaving there only 35 islands. Population of Lakshadweep is smallest among India's 8 union territories. It has a population of 70,000 people, 97% are Muslims. The size of Lakshadweep's largest island, Androth, is 4.9 square kilometer. Lakshadweep is strategically located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep is a union territory without legislation. Despite its small size in terms of geographical and landmass, it has a large territorial water, 20,000 square kilometers, and exclusive economic zone EEZ of 4 lakh square kilometer, which makes it strategically important for India. Lakshadweep is 465 kilometer west of Cochin and is 793 kilometers from Maldives. China has made its presence in the Hambantota port project and the Colombo port project in Sri Lanka. Chinese presence is barely 290 kilometers from Kanyakumari, and there is massive drugs and guns trafficking into Lakshadweep. On the other hand, China has control over Pakistan's Gwadar port, and Lakshadweep comes in between this arc of Chinese influence. China's naval base Djibouti is also a matter of concern, and therefore India needs to develop Lakshadweep into a naval base. Indian government plans to build a naval base at Lakshadweep Islands to counter China and Pakistan access. Lot of illegal activities had been going on in Lakshadweep, including smuggling of drugs, arms and hawala transactions. Government also wants to develop Lakshadweep into a tourist destination on the lines of Maldives, which is very important destination for tourists. Health system at Lakshadweep is poor. There are just 3 hospitals. It is said that crime rate at Lakshadweep is very low. It is because any crime committed in Lakshadweep is not reported, because for 70,000 people there are 400 policemen, and cases are not reported because lot of underworld activities are taking place at Lakshadweep. Fishing and agriculture are the mainstays of the island, but the sectors are undeveloped. Lakshadweep explores just 10% of its fishing potential. Fishing practices are still traditional, which does not improve their income. Similarly, there are 10 lakh coconut trees on the island, but earning from coconut cultivation continues to be low. Praful Patel, who was Home Minister of Gujarat when PM Modi was Chief Minister of Gujarat, was appointed new administrator of Lakshadweep in December 2020 to discipline the islands, as various anti-national activities like smuggling of drugs, arms and ammunition had come to notice of the Indian government. Besides, Lakshadweep has become center of terror activities. So Patel has pushed through many tough and new laws and regulations, which has disturbed the mafia in Lakshadweep, who are operating in collusion with mafias based in India, and therefore they are making lot of noise. Draft Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation LDAR 2021 was introduced by Praful Patel. The draft grants the administrator the power to acquire any land required for public purpose under the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Law Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013, improving the social and economic indicators on the islands, which are lagging behind despite having the potential. On an average, 5 lakh travelers land on the island every year, which had a huge potential for tourism. The plan is to improve Lakshadweep as a tourist spot on the lines of Maldives. Besides, for security reasons, there is need to establish a naval base at Lakshadweep to counter any possible threats from China and Pakistan. The 3 policies which have drawn the ire of the local populace and politicians include proposed cow slaughter ban, Prevention of Antisocial Activities Act, which allows the police to detain a person without any public disclosure for a period of 1 year, and draft panchayat notification, where a person with more than 2 children is disqualified from being a panchayat member. Most controversial legislation introduced by Patel is the draft Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021, which would allow the administrator to acquire the land of residents to build railways, highways and other infrastructure projects. Praful Patel has also proposed a ban on the sale of beef and the slaughter of cows, calves and bulls. According to Lakshadweep Animal Prevention Regulation 2021, no person can directly or indirectly sell, transport, offer for sale or buy beef or beef products in any form from anywhere in the Muslim majority island, with violation facing up to 10 years in jail. Patel had earlier booked criminal cases against 3 people, including local Congress leader M.A. Atta, for putting up a banner in Kavarati, the capital island of Lakshadweep, criticizing the CAA bill passed by Modi government in 2019. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan moved a resolution expressing solidarity with the people of Lakshadweep. The Kerala Legislative Assembly unanimously passed a resolution demanding the recall of Praful Koda Patel and requesting the immediate intervention of the centre to protect the lives and livelihood of the islanders. Rahul Gandhi has also stood with the criminals and underworld based in Lakshadweep as is expected. In November 2020, Coast Guard intercepted Sri Lankan boat Shenya Duva and recovered narcotics, drugs and guns worth about rupees 1000 crores near Tuticorin from a Sri Lankan boat, 99 packets of heroin, 20 boxes of synthetic drugs, a Thoraya set and 5 9mm pistols. On March 5, 2021, Indian Coast Guard ships and aircraft intercepted a Sri Lankan vessel, Akarsha Duva, with 6 crew of Minicoy Island. Upon questioning, the crew confessed to carrying 200 kg high-grade heroin and 60 kg of hashish, which was thrown into the sea on sighting the Coast Guard ships. On March 18, 2021, the Coast Guard had intercepted 3 vessels on suspicion and recovered drugs and guns from one of the vessels. The value of the drug was estimated at rupees 3000 crores. 5 AK-47 rifles with 1000 live rounds were seized. The 19 crew members were detained for further interrogation. The value of the drug seized just during the period November 2020 to March 31st, 2021 is rupees 5000 crores. Annual budget allocation for Lakshadweep for 2021-22 was rupees 1349.71 crores. Almost 3 times the annual budget is the value of the drug trafficking for a period of just 5 months that was confiscated. In just 5 months, drugs seized in the area is rupees 5000 crores, and at least 10 times of drugs must have sneaked into Lakshadweep unnoticed. Added to this, the value and quantum of firearms seized. With this kind of hush-hush money being generated, hawala and money laundering should also be happening on a large scale. This is the reason that there is a planned campaign going on in Lakshadweep so that these underhand activities of mafia continue, and there is no doubt that this mafia's command is in Kerala, which is controlled by communists. So the Kerala government is disturbed. Another person who is most disturbed by this cleanup is Rahul Gandhi. Planned campaign has been quickly set in motion to save Lakshadweep. Twitter has also come in support of this campaign with Let India Breathe campaign, critical about the development plans for the island. So government needs to take action against Twitter also on this issue. Government is considering opening offices of Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB), Central Bureau of Narcotics (CBN), Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI), Enforcement Directorate (ED), and Intelligence Bureau at Lakshadweep. There is a clear geographical shift in the drug trafficking route into India. Sri Lankan boats ferrying drugs and guns into remote Lakshadweep is going to be a great challenge for enforcement agencies. Lakshadweep is hiding dark secrets and dangerous conspiracies. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.